Guys, I'm officially a fae. Okay, and I do know it doesn't work like that, but like, holy shit. I have a blessing from... I'm not actually sure this is a butterfly. It could be a moth, I'm not sure. As I've said before, I don't know about bugs. I just love that they come visit me so often. Never seem scared. I'll be your safe haven, little guy. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're doing such a good job. I saw you land on a flower earlier today, and I tried to take a picture of you on the flower. You wouldn't let me, though. I mean, we all got personal business, like, maybe you didn't want your eating habits all up on social media, but I am still so honored. I love you. I love you, little dude. And I'm having like a bad day. Like, indescribably so. Is that why you came? Was it just to cheer me up because you're such a bro? I mean, I'll accept that. It was that kind of night and day. Little dude, you know I didn't send narcos to anybody's house, right? Like, I'm gonna say I'm being framed, but I'm being misunderstood. It'll be a long time before you get to make your social media debut. 'Cause I turn that shit off. Maybe you're just tired. I mean, you're always flapping around all the time. Did you just need like a minute? Like, I get it. Take your time. Chill out. I'd say smell the flowers. I don't know that you guys can smell, but I know you're a fan of flowers. But yeah, dude, do you want to walk the dogs with me? 'Cause I'm down. Okay. And I'm just gonna let you chill out here as long as you want, bro. As long as you want. Just know I love you. Look at you. You is majestic. You is majestic.